Hello and welcome to today's debrief. So today we're going to be looking at Ethereum versus USD. So for those who aren't aware or who haven't watched my previous videos, I'm using my Smasher Trend indicator in order to evaluate the current market. So if you don't understand what's in front of you here, please look at the first video on my channel, which has an explanation of the Smasher Trend indicator, and you could also look at my Bitcoin analysis, which I did earlier this week, which gives another brief outline of the indicator. But in summary, I've been trading cryptocurrencies for 4 years. This Smasher Trend indicator's been in development for nearly a year now. I've been actively trading using it for the past 6 months. So I've really grown to understand and implement using this indicator for my main trading strategy. So what I'm hoping to do is to bring my analysis to YouTube and Twitter and just bring knowledge to the crypto space. So any, subscribing and following me on Twitter, that would be a great help. Providing feedback on my videos, providing if anyone has a particular coin they want me to evaluate, and then you can always tweet me or send a message on YouTube or post a comment down below with the coin you'll be interested in me evaluating, and I can then look into it if there's enough demand for a particular coin. The only criteria is that it has to be on TradingView and the coin has to be older than 4 months. Just because the amount of fundamental data and long-term data that my indicator uses in order to get the bullish and bearish signals, we need quite a lot of data in order to make these signals. So 3 months just wouldn't be enough data to get a real accurate view. So that's a brief overview of what I'm going to be doing today. So now then, let's have a look at the 3-day on Ethereum. So I trade the 3-day more for my long-term hodl stack. I also use it for some leverage. I add leverage on the green candles and I deleverage or exit my positions on the red candles. I've been long now on Ethereum since around here, which was the closure of the first green candle on the 3-day, which was at $263. So I've been building up my position since then. I did exit some of that position here at the $381 mark. I exited my leverage around here, and I've been waiting to basically add my leverage back since then, really. Thanks to the smash trend indicator, I've avoided most of this choppy sideways movement and a lot of this red movement just from not really being leveraged since then. So right now on the 3-day, things are obviously red. We're looking really for a green candle. We preferably want to see a green candle forming on the 3-day before I'm really happy to be entering longs or and leveraging up. Obviously, this isn't financial advice. Do your own due diligence. This is just my interpretation of the current market. So let's just have a further look at what's going on here. So unlike Bitcoin, the actual volume on Ethereum is looking very good. We're in a strong green trend there. The candle colors are still in the green area, which is telling me we're still in a bull trend. We've not yet dipped really below the bearish line here. We have on the shorter time frame, but I'm not too worried about that unless we started kind of dipping below it on the longer time frame as well. Price action's also in the bullish area, so we're above the zero line with the price action, but we're just below the moving average. The one thing with this data is that obviously it can be skewed if you have a very strong movement, then we are going to be below the moving average because it's not sustainable to kind of have such a strong up move constantly. So there is always going to be some cooling off. So, I mean, as we're strongly above the zero line here, I'm really not too worried about Ethereum. All I'm looking for is just that one little extra trigger, just that one green candle, and then I'm very happy to start leveraging in my position again. As I said, I exited my position here really, so I'd just be getting back in where I left off, but without the risk of all that downside, which was there was a risk of a strong downside move here. So avoiding that and entering here is it's just a much more comfortable situation to be in, rather than messing around trading all of this. It's better just to avoid all that and wait for confirmation that we're continuing. On the 3-day, you can see that the green candles really have resulted mostly in some strong moves up. So you can see that there. So let's just look at some examples. You know, this one, for example, this one. You know, you can sometimes see green candles in choppy markets, but you know, if you just entered here and waited, you'd be out at break even anyway, and then you could have shorted these red candles here. So right, so that's the 3-day looked at. So I would say we're looking bullish. Price action's looking neutral to bullish. Volume's bullish. Candles are still bearish, but really, I'm very happy to start going back in with my leverage as soon as we start seeing some more green candles. So let's look at the 12-hour. So 12-hour, you would have been long around here, this candle here, and you would have exited here once we've seen a red candle. So now really it's just a waiting game on the 12-hour. We have 2 red candles in a row, so you know I'm not going to be jumping in on a long here and with the candles currently like this. However, the price action is in the green, but volume is in the red. So on the 12-hour, I think it's neutral. You know, we could see a bit more cooling off really. Let's just see what we've got going for us. See if I can spot anything there. So this looks like an important level on the 12-hour. Let's see if we can get that further there. Right. That's about right. So good news is that we've not really broken below this this horizontal line here. So really, we're just going to wait again. You just got to wait for a green candle. It's as simple as that, really. Green candle or you know some bullish volume. See this turning green, and I'll be quite happy. So yes, on the 12-hour, it's neutral. I wouldn't be entering a short just yet unless we start breaking below this green line and this the price trend becomes a bit more bearish. Until then, it's just a waiting game on the 12-hour, sorry. Right. So now let's look at so this is the 2-hour. So 2-hour has been red for quite a while now. So, you know, if I was trading this, I would have been short on this candle here, and I would have just been holding it really until this point. Let's just have a look and see how. Okay. Yeah. So I personally don't trade the 2-hour, but if I was trading it, I would have seen a break of this trend line here and a red candle and red volume. I would have been entering a short around this area here. In regards to exiting the short, I will exit it once we get a break above this moving average here on the price trend. However, if we start breaking below this zero line, and then I'd be looking to average add some more leverage into a short and do some more higher leverage short. Yeah, right now we're neutral. We have been red for quite a while, but now we're turning yellow, which is an indecision candle. So what you would do is you just wait and see whether the next candle confirms green or red before entering a position. So I mean, right now the overall picture is that we're in a bit of a decision point really here. We're in between bullish and bearish. 2 hour has been bearish for quite a while, and 12 hours been bullish, but now it's flipping to indecision. And the 3 day has been bearish, but now is looking to start flipping bullish. Um, so so yeah. So in summary, 3 day I'm looking to go long. I'm just waiting for green candle. Volume's great, price action's okay. Candle just needs to turn red, and I'm looking to start adding my long-term leverage. Now this is long term. I'm talking I want to buy and hold for months and add leverage for months. So that's what I'm looking to do once this turns green. Uh, 12 hour, we're just going to be waiting. It doesn't look as good volume wise as the 3 day, but again, it's just a bit of an indecision area at the moment. Yeah, being yellow. Um, and the 2 hour, which would be this chart, the 2 hour is bearish, but looking to start turning bullish. So if I was in a short, I would think to start exiting here soon, if we do break above this trend line. So that's a summary of my Ethereum analysis. If anyone has any questions, feedback, suggestions for my next video on what coin you want me to analyze, I'll be very happy to look into that. But happy trading, and I will see you soon.